Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Shanif, and I am the founder of Locusive. Now, if you've never heard of us, Locusive is an AI assistant that makes it easy for you to get information from your connected data sources and your internal databases. And I'm starting to put together a few short videos for how you can start to use Locusive. And in today's video, we're going to show you how you can get answers from your connected Google Sheets. Now, for today's video, we're going to use this particular sheet, which has a list of different funding opportunities or grants that have been collected from around the world. Now, we've been working with a company called Grant Exec to put this together. They're actually putting together a list of the world's funding opportunities and grants from federal, state, private, and all sorts of other funders. They've put together this list, and if you're interested in getting a grant, you should check them out because they are able to provide personalized grants for you. Now, they've put together this list, and they've connected it to our system. You can see this list has different attributes for grants, things like the name, the description, funding source, so who's providing the grant, all sorts of information. And they've hooked us up to Locusive. So today we're going to show you how you can start to get some interesting information just by talking to Locusive with your connected database. All right, so I've hooked up Locusive to our Slack bot here. We've got a Slack workspace connected, and we can just start to ask a few simple questions for Locusive and start to see what answers it comes back with. Now, if we're looking for grants, maybe we're in a particular industry, let's say energy, and we're interested in maybe getting a list of renewable energy grants. So why don't we just ask that here? Please give me a few grants related to renewable energy projects. Okay, so if I zoom in here, you can see that the system has started to look through the internal knowledge base that's connected to Locusive, and it found a few grants from the grant database. So here you can see it's got Renewable Energy Assistance, Rural Energy, Renewables Ready Communities Award, all sorts of grants here related to renewable energy, and it gives you the source for where it came from. And so we can just go in here and we can actually just search for this particular grant just to get a sense for what it is if we wanted to. We'll go into Google Sheets, and it's all the way down here in row 3115, and we'll start to get a sense for some of these grants. We can start to ask it additional things. So, for example, what if you're in a different industry, maybe semiconductors? Well, we can ask it a different question. For example, tell me about federal and state grant opportunities related to the semiconductor industry. So it'll go through, it'll do the same thing. This information is stored in the Google Sheets that have been connected to the Locusive system. It's going to go through and it'll find these particular grants related to semiconductors and give you the source. Now, this works because we have connected this particular Google Sheet to the system. You can connect all sorts of other integrations. For example, your database, which a lot of our business companies do, Google Docs, Drive, Notion. But essentially, what I'll do in the next video is walk through how our system actually pulled the data that it did. But for now, you can get a sense for this is how we're starting to pull information from Google Sheets. If this is interesting for you, please feel free to reach out. We are now implementing Locusive with different companies, and we'd love to get you hooked up. Thanks a lot. Bye.